Hi everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into how you can completely master personal finance even if you're starting from absolute zero. This isn't some get-rich-quick hype. Every step I share today is practical, actionable, and backed by real financial experts and the latest trends in the US. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take control of your money, grow your savings, and set yourself up for financial freedom. Step 1. Get a clear picture of your income and expenses. The foundation of personal finance in 2026 comes down to one word: clarity. You need to know exactly how much money you earn and how much you spend each month. Use a simple budgeting app on your phone, like Good Budget, Every Dollar, or Google Sheets. For the first 30 days, just track every single expense. You'll be surprised at how even small expenses can make a big difference. This is the first real step that financial experts strongly recommend. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. If you're starting from zero, your first savings should be an emergency fund. Set an initial goal of $300 to $500, then gradually increase it to cover 3 months of expenses. In the US, one of the biggest problems people face is unexpected bills that can derail their entire budget. An emergency fund is literally a life-saving step. Step 3. Manage debt wisely. If you have credit cards or any kind of debt, here's an important truth: eliminating debt is the fastest way to grow your personal finances. Start by paying off debts with the highest interest first. Use either the snowball or avalanche method. Both are scientifically proven to work. Step 4. Create additional income streams. In 2026, relying on a single income is getting harder. Experts recommend having at least one additional source of income. Even if you're starting from zero, you can do freelancing, writing, social media, virtual assistant work, complete small online tasks, monetize your skills, Canva designs, content creation, short videos. Even an extra $100 to $300 per month can double your savings growth. Step 5. Automate your savings and investment. Mastering personal finance doesn't mean manually tracking every dollar every day. Smart people use automation. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment account within 24 hours of getting paid. Even $20 to $50 per week can grow into thousands over time. This isn't a theory, it's a proven financial reality. Step 6. Improve your credit score. In the US, credit scores play a huge role in financial life. A good credit score means lower interest rates, easier approvals, better insurance rates. Improving it is simple. Pay every bill on time. Keep credit card utilization under 30%. Don't close old accounts. You can see noticeable improvements in just 3 months. It's a proven fact. Step 7. Align your lifestyle with financial goals. The biggest challenge in 2026 is the habit of overspending. No matter how much you earn, if your lifestyle is out of control, savings will never grow. Review subscriptions. Cut unnecessary purchases. Follow the wait 24 hours rule before buying. Think at least one day before making a purchase. Research shows this method can reduce unnecessary spending by up to 30%. Mastering personal finance isn't complicated. Even if you're starting at zero, these 7 steps: clarity, emergency funds, debt management, extra income, automation, credit score, and mindful spending, can make you financially confident in 2026. Pick just one step today and take action. Momentum builds fast, and before you know it, your financial future will be completely in your hands.